It's almost like eating egg, but you're eating tofu. Throw on a little bit of shichimi pepper. This will keep you full all morning long. I mean, if you're eating this for breakfast, it'll keep you full all afternoon long if you're eating it for lunch, and all night long if you're eating it for dinner. Hey guys, Pat here at All Day Like a Shark, where I share my Japanese recipes with one video a week showing you how I cook Japanese food. Today what we're going to be doing is making iridoufu, or stir-fried tofu with a few vegetables, and we're actually going to be vegetarian today, so no animal products. We're going to be using a vegetable dashi stock. I have this, Kaya no Ya. It's a great brand from Japan. If you haven't had it before, highly recommended. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing for more videos like this one. So first things first, I have my dashi here ready to go. This is a half cup. I have some sesame oil, which we're going to use for the stir fry. I have some light soy sauce, some mirin, as well as my vegetables, and a block of soft tofu. So to get the excess water out of the tofu, what we're going to do today is microwave it for about 2 minutes, and then put a paper towel around it to soak up the excess moisture. So 2 minutes in the microwave, and then we can preheat our saute pan. What we're going to be doing is cooking the vegetables first, and then we're going to season it with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, a little bit of sesame oil, and olive oil. So I'll just put about maybe a half tablespoon of olive oil in, and then about a tablespoon of sesame oil. And then we'll cook the carrots first, throw in the green beans, cook the onions, and then also cook the mushrooms. This is a pretty quick dish to throw together. It's great for breakfast. If you've ever had like a tofu scramble, this is very similar, but Japanese style. You can also use regular dashi if you're not trying to be vegetarian. You can also throw in some egg, some ground pork or ground chicken. You can do all kinds of things, just like with any kind of tofu stir fry. You have a lot of flexibility here, but wanted to be a little bit on the healthy side today, so this is what we're doing. Alright, so I think my pan is just about ready. The tofu has finished. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my carrots, get that started. Throw on the onions and the green beans. Actually, I'm just gonna throw it all in here. So once you notice that the vegetables have started to brown just a little bit, that's when you can go ahead and put in the sauce, as well as the tofu. You just want to heat it through, you don't need to cook it. This is a little bit of a bigger block of tofu today, so we're not going to use all of it. I'm actually going to cut out just a sliver. This is a 19-ounce block of tofu. If you want to use a 19-ounce block, you might need to use a little bit more seasoning, so just be aware of that. Let me put this back in here. So let's go ahead and measure out the sauce ingredients. So 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. You can also use regular soy sauce if you want. You might need a little bit more, maybe a half tablespoon more, due to the lower salt content of regular soy sauce. There's 2 tablespoons, and then 2 tablespoons of mirin. If you like it on the sweeter side, you can add sugar or honey. And then I also like to throw in a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of white pepper, just to add a little bit more seasoning. And then you can also top with shichimi, or red pepper, or sorry, this is ichimi or shichimi. Alright, so you can see that the color has turned. Some of the vegetables are browning nicely, which is what we want. I'm going to go ahead and throw in the sauce. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and throw in the sauce. Try not to drop anything while you do that. And then we can throw in the tofu and break it up into little chunks. And then most of our work is done. You're just gonna have to serve this with a little bit of white rice, and you have a very easy and healthy meal. So you can see there's a lot of liquid right now because of the dashi, but it'll slowly cook down, so don't worry. Just let it simmer until all of the liquids have reduced. Keep it on medium heat, and then I'll throw in a little bit of white pepper right now. A few dashes there, and then some black pepper. You can also put some garlic in there, some grated ginger. A lot of flexibility with this recipe. And the reason that I use white or light soy sauce for this is to preserve the color of the tofu. If you aren't so concerned about the off-white look, to contrast with the green and the orange, just use regular soy sauce. Alright guys, so this is just about done now. I'm going to go ahead and serve it into my little bowl. It's okay if there's a little bit of liquid left. You want that for your rice. Smells so delicious. Here is my iridoufu, tofu stir fry. Totally vegetarian today. No meat, animal products, just a little bit of soy sauce, dashi stock, vegetable dashi stock, mirin, and sesame oil, olive oil. Delicious. Let's go ahead and have a little taste. Never done a tofu scramble before. This is a great recipe to start with. You know what else you could put this on? You could probably put it on toast. Just like scrambled eggs on toast. Tofu scramble on toast. I'd probably use a white bread though, not a... I don't know if it'd hold up to a whole wheat bread or one of those heavier grainy breads. But you could try it out, let me know. Maybe I will try it out. Yes. All you have to say is yes. Alright guys, so let me know what you guys thought of this video. Question of the day. Have you made Iridoufu before? Also, I guess you would translate that as a tofu scramble in English. If you have, let me know in the comments below. What did you make? What did you put into it? I would love to hear about your tofu adventures. That's going to be it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing for more videos like this one. Hit the alarm bell as well to get notifications for when I post new videos. And I am going to go ahead and eat my breakfast. See you in a bit. Actually, see you in my next video. You guys are going to love this. So healthy, packed with flavor.